Here we are, friend. Welcome back to Alex and Jamie Adventures. How to do an oil change on a Ford Ranger. This applies to most models, most years. This particular one is a 2011. First thing, jack the car up. Use a jack stand. I don't need that though. Let's go under the vehicle now. So there's your passenger side tire. Follow the frame. There it is. Right here. $13mm in this case. Now the car is on the jack stand, so I'm gonna go drop it just so we get all of it out. Delicious. So this bolt removed actually has a rubber crush washer in it. Never seen that before. It's usually a metal one that crushes. Well, let's get that back on there, right? That's what we're here for. Let's clean that up.
I mean, a hair-raising oddness that adheres to it.
Now we're going to tighten this to specifications, which according to the manual is 25 pounds of oomph using your arm wrench. That's it. That was the oomph. Basically fill it up. If it doesn't leak, you tighten enough. Let's move over here. Fuel filter. It's blue. I'm gonna guess it's a purolator, but let's find out. Well, that didn't work. All right. Probably using one of those cup ones would be a little easier up here. But you know what? Gotta work with what you got sometimes. You know what I'm saying? It's bullshit sometimes. This is the moment when you're like, man, I should have just get it to that damn fucking quick change place. Somebody was really pissed off when they installed this, man. Shit. Seriously. Damn. Who got this guy upset? Shit. All right. Oh, it's an AC Delco. I was wrong. There we go. Put that old one on the old box. We'll properly dispose of it. I'll pop in the new Fram filter. Alright, a lot of people always say to add oil to your filter before you throw it in, because it's completely dry. Can you see that? Yep. Dry like your grandma's biscuits.
That adheres to it.
The vehicle calls for this 5W20, but that's what we're going to throw in, full synthetic. If you're listening, Grandma, your biscuits aren't dry. Just the listeners, Grandmas. A little oil on there. On the gasket. So nice. And now, let's go throw it on there. Oh yeah. Welcome back to where the struggle is real. Hand tight, and then once again, according to specifications, you only give it approximately 25 foot-pounds of more. And that means, see that? That was it. That's it. That's all it needs. That's it. Remember that. 25 foot-pounds of na. Alright, there's our oil cap. Tells us what oil we need. There we go. Alright, we took the cap off. Strap the funnel in there. and add our 4 quarts. That's where we're at right now, about 3. So we've added 2 quarts so far. Almost there. 1 more quart. Don't want to go over. Half a quart more. Almost there. Yep. We're good. You guys see that oil line? Now that we're done filling it up, we are going to put the cap back on. Crazy stuff, right? Now we're going to turn the car on for about a few seconds and then check the oil. Yep, pretty good. And between the lines, perfect. Doesn't that oil look nice like honey? Yeah. Last thing I would recommend you guys doing is going underneath, double checking you have no leaks, but I know I got no leaks. Peace. Until next time.